AI and automation didn't break your culture, it exposed it. If people in your business are feeling busier instead of freer, you didn't adopt AI, you just scaled the dysfunction. Time has definitely replaced money as the ultimate modern currency. It's no longer about work life balance or even flexible hours. I'm talking about cognitive bandwidth, the headspace at work to think, to create, to connect, and to be present without your brain screaming at you about the 12 different things that are buzzing in your inbox for you to do. AI is promising to give us that time back. So, for some businesses, why does it feel like we're busier than ever? Hi, I'm Sharon, the Culture Catalyst. Welcome to Culture Shift in Action, the series where I show business leaders like you how to spot the gaps, make the shift, and build a thriving team in just 10 minutes. Yesterday, I delivered a session for a group of female founders about AI adoption. It was a room full of brilliant business owners, but they were all wrestling with similar frustrations. AI and automation has arrived, but the time it promises to give me hasn't yet. And every conversation circled back to the same thing. It's not what AI tools you use because there's an abundance of them. It's not when you start to use AI because there's no better time to start doing that. It's how you deploy those tools and why you're doing it in the first place. Because let me tell you this, the technology is neutral. How you use it will determine whether it actually gives you that breathing space or not. You could just end up with higher expectations and no extra hours. This week, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to avoid falling into the AI trap of this AI and automation making you busier instead of making you time rich, which is what we want it to do. Tip number one is a time audit. Start here. List all of your recurring tasks within your business and operations or within your job itself. Mark each of those tasks for ones that give you energy and ones that drain it. And then identify the ones that actually can be automated. Once you've done that, I want you to run it through this rule. If a task drains your energy and doesn't require your input, your judgment, and your unique expertise, then train AI to do it. Automation without intention is just chaos. But when you automate the right things, you buy back your brain and your time. Tip number two, it's the intention filter. Ask this before you use another AI tool again. Does this tool help me think better? Does it just help me to do more? If it's the latter, you are feeding the machine. You are not freeing the human. We should be using AI to extend our creativity, not to multiply the admin. And in that room yesterday, I saw lots of women excited about AI, but then feeling a little bit overwhelmed about something else they have to learn. Tip number three, I want you to think about creating a conscious adoption loop. So here's the loop. Firstly, test small. Try to automate one workflow or learn one new AI tool in 1 week. Secondly, reflect on that. Did it save time or did it just shift time? Thirdly, you need to adjust. Double down on things that free up mental space. Ditch the things that just add more clutter. We're now in a time where big organizations are retraining their people, not replacing them. And research shows where AI is concerned, engagement can reach levels as high as 62% when it's consciously adopted. But that figure absolutely collapses when things are rushed and not thought through. As always, here's what not to do. Do not chase every shiny AI tool. Don't treat automation as delegation. Please don't measure productivity by outputs alone. Time wealth is going to come from subtraction, not addition. It's when you take things out of your workload and not add to it. That's when you'll realize AI doesn't steal your time, but your habits do. The pattern is really super clear. Adopt AI in the right way and it creates wealth. Rush the deployment of AI and it creates time poverty just with a productivity dashboard. So here's your action plan. Number one, run your time audit. Number two, apply that intention filter. Number three, follow the conscious adoption loop. The question isn't whether AI works, it's whether it's working for you. or just making you work differently and probably more hours. If this hits home, click on the link in the description or DM the word interested, and I'll send you a checklist to make sure you're adopting AI in your business the right way, the one that gets you the time back. Because time wealth in business isn't a dream, it's just a design choice. See you next time.